Welcome to MyHostel.pk. In this video, we'll guide you through how to request a hostel booking and manage your guest and visit records. To begin, click on Bookings in the sidebar and then select Request Booking. Fill in your check-in date, duration, institute name, city, and hostel name. Then choose your resident type, profession type, and mention your reason to stay and any additional requirements. Click Save to submit your request. To view your confirmed bookings, click on Confirm Booking. You'll find the list of hostels that have accepted your booking request. Click on Hostel Visit to view any hostel visits you've scheduled. Now let's look at guest requests. Click on Guest Request, then choose Guest. If your guest is already registered, just enter their CNIC and their details will appear. If they're not registered, fill out their CNIC, name, email, phone, gender, who will pay, and the visit dates along with a reason. Click Save to send the request. If a new guest account is created, their default password will be 128. Finally, to manage your saved hostels, go to Favorite Hostel. Here, you can view or remove any hostel from your favorites list. That's how easy it is to manage bookings and guest requests. Thanks for using myhostel.pk.